If nervous was a person, it would be me. Wow. There is a pit in my stomach, and it is not because I am hungry. Like, I feel like I want poop, pee, throw up.
Too dramatic.
Take off my clothes.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting. But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video. As you can see from the clips before, it is a very exciting and nerve-wracking video that we're sitting down to film right now. Like, I feel like I'm going to pee my pants, like literally just pee. But in today's video we are finding out the gender of baby flex, and I don't know how to feel at this point. We think it is a boy. At the beginning of the pregnancy I was team girl, and I have been team girl all along. But at our last appointment, which you guys would have seen in, I think, the 17-week bump update, we got ultrasound pictures, and that was when we got the gender written down in this envelope right here. Haven't checked, so now is a week later, so it was this time last week that we found that this was written down. But the ultrasound pictures that we got, looking at it, even though I know that you cannot technically tell because all babies just look like a skeleton and an alien, I just got boy vibes from looking at the photo. Adam doesn't understand it, but his mom understood it, my mom understood it, my friends that I have sent the picture to, we all agree that it looks like a boy. Like, they get boy vibes when
Your
they see
female
it.
friends, to be clear, right?
Yeah, I don't have male friends.
You have wild imaginations. That's what you have.
You guys just write in the comments quickly your guesses if this is a boy or girl.
Just pause the video and write.
Yeah.
Because we're gonna be moving straight into the opening.
Yeah, and this video will also be a combination of us finding out and the gender reveal that we will also host for our family and friends. It will be a mixture. So when we find out and when them find out, I don't know, some editing magic is going to happen here. But right now we are sitting down to find out. How are you feeling?
I am feeling good.
Do you have a team?
I am team baby. That's my team.
You see, he keeps saying that and I don't believe him. I feel like everybody, when they're having a baby, especially their first baby, like, you have a damn team. Like, don't even pretend.
I think men and women might be different in this case. I think generally women might have a specific gender that they're going for. As for the men, we want a healthy human being to exit this womb. That's what I am looking forward to. A human. Girl, boy, no problem.
Well, as I said, I did have a team, but after seeing the picture, that team has changed and I'm now freaking out. So whatever this result is, I'll be screaming my head off. But if it's a girl, I'm going to be so surprised, because I really just think it's a boy. Oh my god, I'm nervous. But the only thing, I wonder if they wrote it in Japanese or English.
Why would they do that? Why would they write it in Japanese? Let's open it.
Oh shit.
Let's open it.
Adam, no, sweet.
Alright. Fold number one.
Adam, you have to close your eye. You can't see before me.
So look.
You can't see before me.
Look.
No, open it and then we close your eyes. And then we look together.
Alright. My eyes are closed.
Oh my god.
Envelope is gone. Paper is fully open. Hearts are racing.
Oh.
Alright, so Yavan Truth, don't step on me toe, please. Alright, so let's open our eyes on the count of
Shit.
3.
2, 3.
We knew it.
Oh my god!
We knew it.
Oh my god! It's not focusing.
Oh, we knew it.
Wow!
So we're having a son. So no, we can say son instead of baby.
How am I going to be a boy mom? On the internet, when I watch YouTube videos and so on with boy children, like they're all over the place, all over the furniture, in the AC, in the fridge, everywhere. Like girls, I don't see girls behaving like that.
I think boys might require a little more energy in the beginning, but girls might require more headache in the latter part. that's what I imagine.
Wow.
But yeah, that's wonderful.
Baby Webb is a boy, you guys, and we are going to go off camera. So go off in the comments. I'll be reading the comments to find out what you guys thought and how you guys reacted to this Adam to the news. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.
'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. And I think to myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I will always be by your side. 'Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.